lights is on the beat.
So hey loves, welcome back to another video. So I'm real life on a roll with these videos. So yeah, I just wanted to touch in with you guys, give y'all a little review or some things I just purchased. So yeah, I got some things that I want to show you guys, and it's gonna be lit. Let's see my face. So yeah, I want to start off with this video with this bomb ass jacket I just got called Upwork, and I just got this bomb jacket from here. So let me show y'all. With the zazzles, got the zazzle pocket. Put the zazzle pocket right here. And then the pocket right there. And then, well, let me show y'all the back of it. It's so cute. It's so bomb. And it smells so good. So yeah, we about to get into these things that I bought. So the electric brush cleaner, and I cannot wait to clean my brushes with this. Okay, so let me show y'all. This is what it looks like. This is it. It's trash. Yeah. Got my instructions. Got my little brush holder. Got the little, you know, whatever this stuff is. So I also got this light. And it has Bluetooth on it. Did I turn it on? So, hold on.
You probably used to dealing with the moms who be scared to say shit. So they let you run around, fuck around while they sit there and take it.
Be so loud.
Moms who be scared to say shit. So they let you run around, fuck around while they sit there and take it. But I ain't that crazy. I ain't that crazy.
Yo, that light is real life. That mirror light is real life lit. You got Bluetooth speaker and everything. So yeah. So I had to show y'all that because. Alright. Got the wrong bitch. Got the wrong bitch. Got the wrong bitch. So I did buy me some makeup brush and sponge shampoo for when I clean my brushes. What else I have right here? I bought me some NYX glitters so I can start putting glitter on my lids and stuff. And I got another one. It's like purple and pink and stuff. I'm gonna order me my light this week off Amazon. I did buy me a set of sponges. And I got this from TJ Maxx for $10. Got the wrong bitch, yeah. I had a contour palette, so I have me an NYX highlight and contour palette. Because my other one was getting real low. Real low. So yes, got me that too as well. And I did get me another contour palette. Black Renaissance. Black Radiance. I'm so crazy. What is this? Then I had to get me a pigment palette because once I seen this, it was love at first sight. So look at the cover. It's so pretty. And then look at these colors, y'all. I'm really about to be out here doing looks. I want to try that a sunset look. I want to try this purple. Yeah, eggs. This gonna go down with that. It's gonna go down with this palette. And then I also got this Blemish Kit to get all the pimples and stuff away. And it do tell you like what each one is for on the back. So I need to keep that. And then, you know, sis had to get some stuff from some brows. So what I did was I bought me a tint brow mascara. And I got this in black by NYX. And I also got me some brow gel by NYX too. And that's about it. I need to buy me a belt, so I bought me some belts. And I bought me a bag for my computer because I told y'all I'm up to something. So I'm up to a lot of stuff. So y'all better stay tuned. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I don't know if I'm going to do a makeup look yet or not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also give it a thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, subscribe, the notification button because this be uploading all the time. Also follow me on social media. Everything will be linked down below. And I hope you enjoyed this quick review on what I got. And I'll see you on my next video because I don't think I'm doing a tutorial today. So we might be back tomorrow. Alright, yeah, so I'll be back tomorrow with a makeup look. And thanks for watching.